Class 10th. Subject History and Political Science. Chapter number 9 Heritage Management. The sources of history and all the history books that are available today are the results of the diligent work of several historians. Institutes like libraries, museums, and archives conserve and preserve this precious historical heritage. They choose important specimens from the heritage collection and exhibit them. They also publish research journals, informative pamphlets, leaflets, posters, etc. The documents and artifacts which are not exhibited but are historically very important are stored in the museums and archives after completing necessary treatments for their conservation and preservation. Those documents and artifacts are made available to researchers as and whenever necessary. Libraries conserve, preserve, and manage the books. Sources of history, their conservation and preservation. Each step, like collecting the sources of history, creating their records and indexes, and exhibiting manuscripts, old books, and artifacts after completing necessary treatments, requires very careful handling and management. It needs people with specific skills. Only trained persons who are duly qualified can take up these tasks. Number 1. Oral sources of history. 1. Collecting and compiling of folk songs and folk tales, etc. 2. Classifying, analyzing, and interpreting the compiled material. 3. Publishing the results of respective research. Necessary training. 1. Sociology and anthropology. 2. Social psychology. 3. Mythology and linguistics. 4. Library science and information technology. 5. History and historical research method. 6. Writing of research reports and articles. 2. Written sources of history. 1. Collecting coins and copper plates with inscriptions on them. Documents like official records, personal correspondence, and diaries. Historical books, old books, manuscripts, pictures, photographs, etc. 2. Completing necessary mechanical and chemical processes of cleaning for the conservation and preservation of collected documents. 3. Ascertaining the historical value of collected documents. 4. Exhibiting selected documents. 5. Publishing edited documents and research reports. Necessary training. 1. Knowledge of scripts like Brahmi, Modi, Persian, and their development. 2. Basic knowledge of social organization and traditions, literature and culture, dynasties, administrative systems, etc. of past societies. 3. Knowledge of various schools and styles of painting and sculptural art and the history of their development. 4. Knowledge of types of paper, ink, and colors. 5. Knowledge of properties of various stones and metals used for inscriptions. 6. Knowledge of the equipment and chemicals used in various processes of cleaning, conservation, and preservation. 7. Knowledge of various approaches for managing exhibitions in museums, galleries, and information technology. 8. Writing research reports and articles. 3. Material sources of history. 1. Collecting artifacts, classifying them according to their historical date and type, and preparing indexes. 2. Completing necessary mechanical and chemical processes of cleaning for the conservation and preservation of collected documents. 3. Arranging exhibitions of selected artifacts or their replicas. 4. Writing and publishing research articles about collected artifacts. 5. Classifying fossils of plants and animals and preparing indexes. 6. Exhibiting selected fossils or their replicas. Necessary training. 1. Basic knowledge of archaeological method and theory and the history of ancient civilizations. 2. Knowledge of the regional sources of materials like stones, minerals, metals, and clay used in the production of artifacts and their chemical properties. 3. Knowledge of equipment and chemicals necessary for the cleaning of artifacts and other chemical processes. Knowledge of various schools and styles of arts and their development. 5. Knowledge and skills of making replicas, models of artifacts and fossils. 6. Knowledge of various approaches for managing exhibitions in museums, galleries, and information technology. 7. Writing research reports and articles. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है। साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।